These 5 things are lowering your testosterone. Hello lovely YouTube family and welcome back to Healthy Drops. In today's videos, we're going to talk about these 5 things that are lowering your testosterone. Before we start, I want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Testosterone is a sex hormone that plays a powerful role in health. Maintaining healthy levels of testosterone is important for gaining muscle mass, improving sexual function, and boosting strength. Not to mention, alterations in testosterone levels have been associated with a number of health conditions including obesity, type 2 diabetes, metabolic syndrome, and heart problems. While many factors are involved in the regulation of testosterone, a healthy diet is key to keeping levels in check and preventing them from dropping too low. Here are 85 foods that lower testosterone levels you may want to watch out for. Number 5. Soy and soy-based products. Some research showed that regularly eating soy products like edamame, tofu, soy milk, and miso may cause a drop in testosterone levels. For example, one study in 35 men found that drinking soy protein isolate for 54 days resulted in decreased testosterone levels. Soy foods are also high in phytoestrogens, which are plant-based substances that mimic the effects of estrogen in your body by altering hormone levels and potentially reducing testosterone. Though human-based research is limited, one rat study showed that consuming phytoestrogens significantly decreased testosterone levels and prostate weight. However, one research found conflicting results, suggesting that soy-based foods may not have as much of an impact on these isolated soy components. In fact, one large review of 15 studies found that soy foods had no effect on testosterone levels in men. Further research is needed to understand how soy products as a whole may influence testosterone levels in humans. Number 4. Mint. Perhaps most well known for its powerful stomach-soothing properties, some research suggests that mint could cause a dip in testosterone levels. In particular, spearmint and peppermint, 2 herbs that hail from the mint family of plants, have shown to have a direct impact on testosterone. One 30-day study in 42 women showed that drinking spearmint herbal tea daily caused a significant decline in testosterone levels. Similarly, an animal study found that administering spearmint essential oil to rats for 20 days resulted in reduced testosterone levels. Meanwhile, another animal study noted that drinking peppermint tea altered hormone levels in rats, leading to a decrease in testosterone compared to a control group. However, most research on mint and testosterone focuses on women or animals. High-quality human studies focusing on both genders are needed to assess how mint affects testosterone levels in both men and women. Number 3. Licorice root. Licorice root is an ingredient commonly used to sweeten candies and beverages. It's also a popular natural remedy in holistic medicine and often used to treat everything from chronic pain to persistent coughing. In recent years, several studies have found that licorice may also influence hormone levels, potentially leading to a decline in testosterone over time. In one study, 25 men consumed 7 grams of licorice root daily, which caused a 26% drop in testosterone levels after just 1 week. Another small study showed that licorice may reduce testosterone levels in women as well, reporting that 3.5 grams of licorice daily decreased testosterone levels by 32% after just 1 menstrual cycle. Keep in mind that this applies to licorice root rather than licorice candy, which often doesn't contain any licorice root. Number 2. Vegetable oil. Many of the most common vegetable oils, including canola, soybean, corn, and cottonseed oil, are loaded with polyunsaturated fatty acids. These fatty acids are usually classified as a healthy source of dietary fat, but they may also decrease testosterone levels, as several studies have suggested. One study in 69 men showed that frequently consuming polyunsaturated fats was associated with significantly lower testosterone levels. Another study in 12 men looked at the effects of diet on testosterone levels after exercise and reported that polyunsaturated fat intake was linked to lower levels of testosterone. However, recent research is limited, and most studies are observational with a small sample size. More high-quality studies are needed to examine the effects of vegetable oils on testosterone levels in the general population. Number 1. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and various important vitamins and minerals. In addition, some research shows that it may cause a decrease in testosterone levels in certain populations. This is because flaxseed is high in lignans, which are plant compounds that bind to testosterone and force it to be excreted from your body. What's more, flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which may be linked to a decrease in testosterone as well. With one small study in 25 men with prostate cancer, supplementing with flaxseed and decreasing overall fat intake was shown to significantly reduce testosterone levels. Similarly, a case study reported daily flaxseed supplements decreased testosterone levels in a 31-year-old woman with polycystic ovary syndrome, a condition characterized by increased male hormones in women. However, more large-scale studies are needed to further evaluate the effects of flaxseed on testosterone levels. And that's all for today, folks. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.